thinking if I should just buy one of those little fucking air filters that they sell.
And just slap it on, huh?
Yeah.
That's what I would do.
Just for now.
Just for now, yeah. It's not like it's gonna be like that permanent. Every last bit.
Is it leaking?
Only God knows.
I'm ready.
Alright. Nice and tight?
Yeah.
Alright, let me know if you get a signal.
Keep your fingers crossed. You can try and tell me how it is, but I will never listen. Why? 'Cause I don't care. I don't care.
What can this over?
Just unplug them.
What are you wearing?
I'm gonna line it. It goes right there. Perfect.
I'm not listening anymore.
Fuego. Dale. Págalo. Págalo. Ya está gas, ya trae gas, no le pagaron. Ya está el gas, lo para la moneda. Ya ahí va a caro,
It's on. Oh, the power steering. I forgot it has no power steering. Use those muscles.
Esa monedita que está ahí, hay una moneda ahí, no sé de qué son. Las busqué, no las busqué, ahí. Es allá, esa moneda de ahí. Ajá. Ahí como le quitaron toda esa madre, eso no conectas algo ahí, te han puesto que te pone tu pecho.
Puede ser el spray del, ¿cómo se llama?
Ay, no sé. Esta madre ya te pasó todo aquí. Ya se la pasó aquí todo apretado.
Ah, di hola for el YouTube. Yeah, it came with an AMS.
No, your brother got this one. Remember I was yelling at him
Oh,
because he
that's
got
right.
it.
Yeah. What were you doing?
I was kissing him.
Look at me yelling at him.
Dile, un mato, dile, yo me hice tiro, güey. No, es una herramienta especial, sí, comprarla. Sí, Pedro, sí. Mira, toma, es tuya, ya, dólares.
Which is making sure it has oil.
Ah, the transmission oil, yeah. Need some gas. It's alive. Yeah.
It's not wanting to go. So when I
Leave it.
When I tried to accelerate, you go.
What's this?
That's that little plastic shit that
Oh yeah.
I have no idea what it is.
I just figured you were gonna try and take it
I was gonna
to
try
that,
to lip it.
try to till at least the neighborhood.
Yeah. I'm not sure if it needs to cool off or what the fuck.
Does your cluster work?
I hope it does. It doesn't read anything like.
Try and take it back right now since it's staying on. Want to just take it back since it's staying on right now? Because it's burning something. No, I don't think it's that.
For the exhaust, so we should be good. And tomorrow we'll get it welded. But it definitely 100% needs to break into, without a doubt.
That's why it's bugging.
Yeah. So I guess she's following me to the house. I'm just gonna park it in my parking space.
You're not gonna do the whole time. You just
Nah. Nah. I'll do it one more day.
Oh, well, I'm glad I came with you after all.
I appreciate that.
Looking for something better. That was the end of me. All along, all it did was make you better. I'm growing in the tower. I'm watching light in the dust. I thought you would be somebody I would miss. What congratulations.
nunca se va a romper, hijo de puta madre. Hey, I saved these headlights for you too, remember?
I won't make the same mistakes today.
Hi guys, my name is Kenji. I am running Function Channel with a K, Function with a K. Pretty self-explanatory. I'm into things that are functional, cars that are functional. Also look good too, but functional pieces you put on to make it look good. I have taken over the Evo that is on the BoostCoalition page. Took it over, it wasn't running, something was wrong. Here it is right here. Something was wrong with it, it wasn't moving. It seemed like a pretty simple fix, either a slipping clutch or the transfer case, which isn't not that simple, but you drop it out and you repair it. So I am now the owner of the Evo 8 that BoostCoalition had on their page. You know, some things still to fix. That lights are hanging there, but I put new exhaust on it since then. But on my page, I do have things that I did. It didn't look like this before either. Those fenders are now painted, not carbon, because they were peeling. So I did some stuff. I need to start posting videos. Follow me and you'll see the things that I did. I just got back from a tune now too, so now it's fully tuned on flex and it wasn't before. But stay on BoostCoalition for their stuff as well. But if you want the Evo content, I'm going to start tracking it as well. That's what I really bought it for. Follow Function Channel. Thank you, BoostCoalition.